Here is a YouTube-style article, script narration style, about the Genesis GV90, approximately equals 1200 words. Let me know if you want it adapted for a video voiceover or translated. You slide behind the wheel of the Genesis GV90 and immediately realize this isn't just another SUV, it's Genesis' bold statement of what full-size electric luxury can be. Poised as the brand's flagship, the GV90 is designed to push boundaries in design, technology, comfort, and performance. From the outset, the GV90 seeks to distinguish itself through dramatic styling. Drawing heavily from the neon concept, the GV90 embraces a wide, dominant stance, twin-line LED lighting, and sculpted surfaces that balance strength and elegance. Its front end is muscular and refined, the rear is anchored by full-width lighting that wraps into the sides, accentuating its visual width. One of the boldest design features is the use of optional coach doors, rear-hinged, suicide-style doors for rear passengers, something normally reserved for ultra-luxury marques. These allow ingress and egress with a dramatic flourish and help eliminate the need for a B-pillar, though their engineering is non-trivial and has reportedly been a challenge in development. The door integration, flush handles, and wide proportions all hint at a vehicle that wants both presence and elegance. Under the skin, the GV90 is expected to be fully electric, built on a dedicated EV platform, the evolving E-platform architecture within Hyundai Genesis designed to support flagship-level performance, range, and interior packaging. Dual motors and all-wheel drive capability are strongly anticipated, enabling strong power delivery and traction control in varied road conditions. While official figures remain to be confirmed, early reports suggest output targeting 400 to 500 plus horsepower territory, with a driving range aiming at the high end of the class. The GV90 is also expected to support fast charging, advanced energy management, and perhaps Level 3 autonomy tech. Inside, the GV90 aims to deliver a sanctuary of comfort, innovation, and premium materials. As Genesis' flagship, it is being positioned to exceed even the already high standards set by G-Series sedans and GV SUVs. Expect features such as ultra-luxury seating with massage, climate control per zone, ambient lighting, and an infotainment setup built around curved OLED or wide panoramic displays. In rear rows, the GV90 may offer swivel or lounge-style seating options, integrated entertainment, and a glass roof or panoramic smart glass features. Given its flagship status, the material treatment is likely to be top-tier, rich leather or sustainable alternatives, real wood accents, metal trim, and outstanding fit and finish. Developers are reportedly fine-tuning the rear door mechanisms and their integration in the structure, ensuring that even with bold features, durability, sealing, and safety aren't compromised. While much of the GV90 is yet to be confirmed, strategic comparisons to its sibling sedan, the Genesis G90, can hint at what to expect in luxury and comfort. The G90 sedan currently offers a supple ride, a quiet cabin, and levels of material quality that rival or exceed many European rivals. The GV90's SUV configuration will demand challenges such as weight and structure, but the promise is that the ride and refinement should carry that same ethos of quiet luxury and effortless composure. From a competitive standpoint, Genesis is setting its sights high. The GV90 is expected to compete with premium full-size SUVs and large, three-row electric crossovers from established luxury brands, vehicles like the Mercedes GLS, BMW X7, Cadillac Escalade, or its electric variants, and high-end EV SUVs from the likes of Lucid, Rolls-Royce, or even Bentley and Spirit. In many ways, this is Genesis' play for the top tier of luxury brand credibility. It cannot simply be a luxury offshoot of Hyundai, but must compete head-on with the best in the world. As ambitious as it sounds, the GV90 does carry risks. The engineering complexity of features like coach doors is non-trivial and can bring production delays or quality control issues. The size and weight necessary for structural rigidity, battery capacity, and crash safety may challenge the ideal balance of range and handling. Battery cost, thermal management, and fast charging infrastructure will also be critical to winning over buyers. Pricing will be another test. Consumer perception and competition will scrutinize whether Genesis can justify a premium in a segment already dominated by marquee names. In some automotive forums, critics question whether spending $100,000 or more on a Genesis EV is compelling enough, though many believe if executed well, the GV90 could surprise skeptics. In terms of timeline, Genesis anticipates the GV90 entering production in late 2025 or as a 2026 model. Early spy photos and development mules are already circulating, showcasing production intent bodywork, flush surfaces, and styling cues consistent with earlier concept versions. Genesis is likely to strategically unveil the GV90 in phases, first showing the exterior design, then interior concept, then performance range specs, and finally production availability. Given the landmark nature of this model, Genesis will use it as a halo platform to elevate its entire brand image. When the GV90 finally reaches showrooms, the narrative will hinge on whether it delivers real-world refinement, driving range, comfort, and technological excellence. If Genesis succeeds in combining drama and usability, if the coach doors don't become liabilities, if the range and charging match or exceed expectations, if build quality is faultless, then the GV90 could emerge as one of the most compelling full-size luxury EVs on the market. Conversely, if compromises are made, criticism will follow. In a segment where buyers expect near perfection, missteps may be unforgiving.